Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks not responding issues in just a couple of minutes. Yeah, if your QuickBooks freezes, stops responding, or crashes unexpectedly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to work on your company file, but most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you follow a few steps. So first, restart your computer. This clears temporary glitches and frees up system resources that might be causing QuickBooks to hang. Next, try running QuickBooks as an administrator. Yeah, right-click the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator, because permission issues can sometimes block the software from responding properly. After that, check that your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs, improve stability, and ensure compatibility with your operating system. Also, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software. Sometimes security programs can interfere with QuickBooks processes and make it unresponsive. And yeah, if you're using the desktop version, check for any damaged company files using the QuickBooks File Doctor. Corrupted files can cause QuickBooks to freeze or stop responding. Finally, if the problem continues, consider reinstalling QuickBooks or using the QuickBooks Tool Hub to troubleshoot automatically. Most of the time, these steps will get QuickBooks working smoothly again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.